Hi everyone, welcome to another Everything Goolge Gsuite video with Z, and today's video we're looking at Gmail, but what in particular that we're hoping to cover in this video is the February updates to Gmail. Now what we'll try to do in the coming weeks and the coming months is every time there's feature updates to various G Suite applications, we'll try to cover this in video so you can get to see some of the features that are being released. And the great thing about Google is they do release regular updates just to make your use of the G Suite that little bit better, whether it be doing things quicker, make it look aesthetically better, but most importantly there tend to be a lot of features that we tend to use quite frequently. So let's get started and we'll get into some of these features. So what Google released in February is some more options for when you right click on your email. So if I go to one of these emails here, what you'll see now is some various options. Now, as basically it sounds, some of these options weren't available before, in particular being able to reply directly from your inbox without having to open it. There's some great facilities now also to search emails within the right clicking. So you got the basic reply forward, again the snooze option which I've covered in another video, but also you can find emails for a particular person. Now this feature was semi-available in the old version of Gmail if I remember correctly, and you can literally gave you an option when you highlighted the email, it says find more from this particular user. When the new Gmail came out, that feature seemed to have disappeared, but I'm glad to see that it's now available in this in the right clicking option. So you can search specific emails for a particular person, or you can search particular subject lines if you don't have conversation mode switched on. What we also like about the new feature as well is the option to open the email in a separate window without having to go into the email. So if you remember before you had to click on the email and then open it in its own window, now you can do this by right clicking. And the great feature about this as well is you can open multiple windows, whereas before you could only really open one, and if you wanted to open more it became about 5-6 extra clicks to do that. But now you can right click on an email and open it in its own window, so you can have multiple windows open. Another great feature again to organise your emails is also the move to option. So if you right click on an email you can move it to any pre-existing label, or you can actually create labels now directly from the right clicking of the option. So that's one of the main updates that I found quite useful for this February updates. Any updates that come in March, we'll do another video at the end of that month, and we'll do videos for Google Drive, Sheets, Docs, as many applications we can in G Suite. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.